What is the difference between a policy and a procedure? Let's break this down. A policy tells the reader what it is we're trying to accomplish and why it matters to that reader. A procedure is the step-by-step instructions. Who shall do what by when? So quick example, a policy. It is the policy of the firm that we send out invoices every month so that we get paid and so that we are able to pay our team members as well. See, in that policy, we explain why we're doing it to benefit the business and how it's going to benefit that reader as well. They get paid. Then we go into the procedure, step by step. The billing clerk shall set up the monthly invoices with the client's credit card. The billing clerk shall monitor on the 5th day of every month to ensure that all payments went through. The billing clerk shall, on the 6th day of the month, identify all failed payments that didn't auto-generate and repay on resubmission and create a list to reach out to each client and ask for an updated credit card or a different credit card to pay. There you go. A simple 3-part, quick and easy, who shall do what by when. That's the procedure. That's the part that tells us what needs to get done. From there, you can add in other elements such as a quick video of how to do the invoicing, a quick template email to send, a quick example of what the list looks like, a quick script of what to say on a telephone call. These are all the elements that support the system and make sure everyone has a good, clear idea on what needs to get done and how to go about doing it the right way. Happy crafting. If you need help building your systems, let us know.